It's Mother's Day 2010. Can you say hi, Grandma? Happy Mother's Day. I miss you. Yeah. Are we just chilling out? We're just chilling out. Yeah. What are you looking at? Yeah, can you talk to us? Can you talk to Grandma? Give her your little baby noises. Yeah. Oh, such a big girl. Yeah. Say we miss you, Grandma. Can't wait for you to come. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.